Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking how Linkspreed is fixing the internet's biggest flaw, our digital identity.
Sure, clicking sign in with Google is super convenient, but what are you actually giving up behind the scenes?
You're trading privacy for access. Your behavior literally becomes a tracked product left wide open to massive data breaches.
Linkspreed's radical fix? UIID, or Universal Integrated Identity Decoupled. It's an entirely new foundation for a decentralized web. It's totally passwordless. This zero-trust system lives securely on your device, using local hardware enclaves and your actual biometrics.
So no passwords to steal, local crypto checks, and your data, it's only shared when you say so. UID acts as the security anchor at Layer 1. It's the unshakable foundation for the entire Web4 ecosystem.
But let's be real. Nobody actually wants to manage complicated crypto seed phrases just to log in, right?
Exactly. So, Linkspreed bridges the gap, turning those easy Web 2 social logins into an effortless one-click upgrade.
Their huge goal? To natively support the 100 most globally used social and banking logins by 2027.
Here's the process. Connect a legacy login, verify you're actually human, and boom, you generate a unique decoupled key.
That old login stops tracking you. You unlock true sovereign identity, plus 100 gigs of Web 4 storage.
You can even spin up custom aliases. This completely stops platforms from secretly linking your web behaviors together.
But why does this matter so much right now? Think about the rise of deepfakes and AI botnets.
Because UIUID uses local biometrics, creating massive farms of throwaway bot accounts becomes economically and technologically impossible.
This guarantees 100% human interaction on Atrium networks, allowing secure age verification without revealing your birth date.
They are moving fast. UID is hitting your pocket soon with an Android launch, followed quickly by iOS.
By housing your identity inside physical security modules, your digital sovereignty remains portable, unbreachable, and entirely yours.
Linkspreed isn't just an alternative. They're literally building the bridge to a secure, human-verified digital future.
So here's the big question I'll leave you with today. Are you ready to finally reclaim your digital sovereignty?